is a test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for the WXL51 listening area of Northwest Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of, or existing severe weather, in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Maumee Bay, Ohio to the Islands, Ohio, open waters from Maumee Bay, Ohio to the Islands, Ohio, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located near Bowles Harbor of Refuge, moving southeast at 15 knots. Hazard: waterspouts, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, and small hail. Source: radar. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Reno Beach, Put-in Bay, and Kelly's Island. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ottawa County in northwestern Ohio, Erie County, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Port Clinton, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sandusky, Port Clinton, Kelly's Island, Catawba Island, Marblehead, Bayview, Sandusky South, and Fairview Lanes. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Erie and Ottawa.